Did you tell Mama?
Yeah, told everybody.
How you get rid of baby hiccups? What are we gonna do with you?
So it seemed like whenever William would get the hiccups, he'd take a growing spur.
No. They don't seem to be bothering him.
Too cute. Got your foot hanging out.
Oh, he's not in it.
Just look at his little tootsies.
Going to sleep.
Yeah, but he's got to do the other side. Mwah.
You need to feed the other side.
Yeah, I can do the other side too. Mwah. If he'll eat, I don't know if he'll eat with a hiccup. The hiccup. Are they gone? Oh. No. They're okay, Daddy.
Give me a minute.
You kind of fall down on the job there. Oh, sorry. Oh, that was a good one. They had too much milk. She's grin. He like grinned a little bit. Is that all?
Okay.
Are we done?
I think we're done.
Oh, they went away by themselves.
These eyes are rolling back.
You had too much of the sauce.
Okay, buddy. Say bye to everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye. Where's your arm?